Everybody say what's up. Yeah. New day, new vlog. Zari, we're client ማጣረፊ so ከመጀመሪያው ወተናል ከመጀመሪያው client ወተን we got it. We got the deal. We got our first client of the day. Woohoo! ከዚህ በኋላ በእኛ ነው ስካይላይትም ስትሄዱ ምንም ስትሄዱ ደውሉልንሽ እኛ ይኸውልሽ እያንዳንድሽ እኛን ምን ከፍልልሽ የታክሲ ያሳስብሽ የምን ያሳስብሽ gang on we're going to the next location yeah ደርሰናል let me show you second place we're gonna go get our clients so ሁለተኛው client ጨርሰናል we're gonna get a meeting with the manager soon የመጀመሪያውን ክላይንት ተሰጥቶናል ስራ ኦሬዲ ሁለተኛው ክላይንት አሁን ደግሞ like next ይሰጠናል baby anyways ሁለተኛው ክላይንት ደግሞ they said that ማናጀሮቹን ታወሯቸዋላችሁ so they're going to set up with a meeting with the managers so እስካሁን 3 አፕሮች አድርገናል
Let's be civilized, let's be modern, and let's respect each other, man.
Yeah. Hey, assisty. Everybody, winners, put your hands up. I thought a day.
Bro, batamni. I was እንደዚህ ሪከርድ ያረኩ እኔን ሪከርድ ማድረግ መስለኝ ለካ ካሜራው ተገልብጦ ወደዛ ነበር ሲያሳይ ነበር 3 ደቂቃ ምናምን አውርቻለሁ anyways I'll talk again so I'm going to Alex and it's going to be a lot of fun I can go home ግን እንዳልኳችሁ it's all about how you wind down ማታ ላይ to have a good night sleep what you do in the evening በጣም ማተር ያደርጋል actually evening አይደለም 10 ሰዓት ተኩል ነው ፀሐዩ ቅቅል እያደረገኝ ነው ምናምን ነገር ግን going to Alex is not በጣም like you know I can go home and be on my phone scrolling ምናምን ግን that's gonna stimulate me and that's gonna set me up for a bad night of sleep and እንዳልኳችሁ as somebody who works out you need to rest hard so I'm gonna go now and enjoy my night rest up and play some games that are not very stimulating and just chill you feel me so yeah see you guys mata you feel me I'll talk to you more about the clients and everything that happened mata like it was an amazing day it was a success I did amazing Zari and I'm gonna tell you all about that Zari and now I'm gonna just go enjoy the rest of my day so yeah bye
This is Alex. What a beautiful beach. Hatta verirler. ምን ጀመራችሁ? ዲጄ ራስክላት ኦኬ ፊቸሪንግ ነው ኦኬ ይቀርታል ኦኬ ይቀርታል The weekend lemony. Yo, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Amma. Andinash, hey. Hey. What up, dude? Andinash. አሉልሽ ዘጋኝ ለምን ነው የምትዘጋኝ ምንድነው ችግር I'm vlogging yeah I'm vlogging ማንም የለም እንዴ ጆስ where's Joe እንዴ ጆ እኮ እዚህ እኮ ነኝ ነው ያለኝ ዳዊት ሲያይ ተደብቆ ሙቷል ታውቃለህ እንትናን ክፈቱት ዋን ዳንስ ድሬክ ቴክኖ ካም ምን ምን ይደብራል ነው?
አላልኩም።
Let's go phone by phone. Phone for phone ነው? For. Let's go phone for. እስቲ dead meat. Dead meat.
25.
Dead meat. የገዛው ነው 2036 ስንጂቢ ነው። እሺ
120
ስንት ራም ነው?
አይ ወደ 24 ነው።
ራም እንዴ ማክ ነው እንዴ ያስከው? ስንት ነው? 6 ይሄኛው ማለት ነው 500 ጂቢ ስቶሬጅ አለው 8 ጂቢ ራም አለው። እሺ
አንድ 500 ምን ያደርግለታል?
Cause I'm a cameraman, I'm a vlogger, bro. I win, huh?
You win.
I win.
I didn't have to say it.
Huh? Yeah. I win still. It doesn't matter, Andy. Samsung brand ስለሆነ ነው እንዴ?
Brand matter አረጋ.
What matters is how you can perform, bro. Performance ይሻላል. What are you talking about? Yeah. እሺ anyways ኢንተርቪው ላደርግ ነው በቃ ቴክኖ ካመን በዚህ ካሜራው በጣም ነው የሚጸዳው። እሺ let me ask you a question 3 ጥያቄ። አንደኛ ነገር what's your name? ሁለተኛውን ጥያቄ ስኪፕ አድርገናል። ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ኖ አልነበረም ሲጀመርም ዝም ብዬ ነው 3 ያልኩኝ። አንድ ነው ጥያቄው። So the question is how do you describe a real friend?
How do you describe a real friend?
No. እንዴ ይሄ ልጅ እንዴ አታ ተደብቆ እስካሁን አታ እኔ እኮ ስገባ እኮ አይቼዋለሁ። ከዛ ግን ላይ ስለተደበቀ አላየሁትም እኮ ይመጣል ወደ አንተ። No, describe him. እሺ describe him.
Real friend.
Yeah.
ያበላ
እሺ መጀመሪያ ሪል ሜሪን ሲመጣለት ቢያበላ እሺ ከዛስ
ያበላው በጣም ፎከስ ማድረግ
really እሺ become that one good friend እሺ become the good friend አታበላ አታጠጣማ ተንከዚ ንገ yo man are you shy of cameras? ካሜራ አትወድም?
Come on man.
የሆነች አንግል አለች ብቻ ታገኘው። What up? You wanna no. Let's do a mini interview. You have 2 questions. Aniganaga, what's your name? How do you describe a real friend? Bro, መጠቋቋም ተው. Stop.
ማን ነው ዲስክራይብ አድርጋ?
No, a real friend. Actually describe. No. Describe attributes of a real friend.
You must be an idiot.
እኔ እኮ ሪል ፍሬንድ ዲስክራይብ አድርግ ስለው ወደ አንተ ጠቆመ። ከዛ አትሪቢዩቱን ግለጽ ስለው ጅል መሆን አለበት።
አባባል ግን
የራስን ይደናገር።
I swear on my mama ካሜራ ላይ እኮ ነው።
ቀድሞ ጠቆመ። ከዛ በኋላ ግን ስለ ሪል ፍሬንድ አሰበ።
which is you
No.
ጭራሽ አይደለም ክድት የማን ነው ምናምን። እሺ describe a like properties
ምን property?
ማለቴ like attributes like characters of a real friend.
Honestly በቃ
honesty
ግድ ነው።
royalty እሺ ቆይ አንተ ቆይ ማና ቆይ አንተ ኖ እስክትጠይቅ ጠብቅ።
Point the camera at him.
እሺ
አሁን እስተራ
እሺ so okay describe
ወርድ መሆን አለበት። ምንም ቢሆን
ምን man of his word እሺ what else በቃ become one እሺ
yeah I'm trying to
አይደለም አሪፍ ምክር አይደለም የመከርኩት become one አትጃጃል you put that on yourself እሺ you're next ሁለት ጥያቄ what's your name? እንዴ አንተ ያስባል ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ ነገ ነው ይመልስልኝ እሺ እናንተ ለምንድን ነው የማትተውን ግን ምን አድርገናችሁ ነው የምታሰቃዩን? No, she. Describe a real friend.
Describe
Like character-wise. Yeah, characters of a real friend.
characters.
Open.
You know, like,
Oi! The one, the only. Introduce yourself, man. Johanna in the mic. And interview ያረኳቸው. By the way, this is our host, the one, the only, Johanna. He's the reason we're all here. Wait. ለምንድን ነው የማናወራው?
አይ ቆይ ሌላ
እንዳታወሩ ሲል ነው የገባኝ። ታውቃለህ? እኔ እንጃ ስለ ኤቭሪቲንግ ነው የምናወራው።
አብዱ የወሩ ፈልጋቸው ኤክስክሉሲቭ የሆኑ ቶፒኮች አሉ።
ኦኬ ለምሳሌ እንዳይወሩ የምፈልጋቸው ቶፒኮች ለምሳሌ አላወራም። ኦኬ ስለ እንትና አናወራ፣ ስለ ጤፍ እና ስለ ስንዴ አይወራም። ስንዴ ይመቸኛል፣ ግን ስንዴ ይመቸኛል። Hey, we have our DJ, the one, the only. Put your hands up. Hey, Junior Mafia. This is ማን ነበረ ስሙ? Puff Daddy. Bro, በጣም ነው የሚወዱት ሲረዝም። Oh, copyright? Fuck it. We don't care. Because I don't do this for money. Oh, you're right. Okay. አንተ አልመለስክም እኮ።
ምን
characters of a real friend.
somebody that's open to new experience.
ባይዘይ ካልጮክ አይሰማም።
somebody that's open to new experience.
እሺ ከዛስ?
somebody curious, you know?
Yeah.
እና ብርም ያበድረኝ
become one. አበዳሪ ሆን። አበዳሪ ሆን። ያ ሄያና ድሬዱ ነው የሚያበድረው። 3 ልስጥ ይላል። ዲዋን ነቃቅለን አንድ ቀን ስልኬ ሊዘጋ ነው። ፋክ like for real dread ብትሰራ ያምራል። no it's not dread በቀጭኑ ብትሰራው it will be fire and እንትና ማለት ነው። I'm not a trend. Everybody ስላደረገው አላደረገም። True. That's fire. ግን still ያምርባል ብታረገው። But I don't give up. Hey, I'll open the next song. One. አልቀይረውም. Lemon. Look who came. Hey. What's up? አጂ እኔ እኮ እዚህ እየረበሽክ ነው። ካሜራ ይዤ ቡራን ይላል። The one, the only, the miss, the legend. የኤክስ ዋና እንትን ነው። he's like ከማንም በላይ ኤክስ ሪቻቢሊቲ ያለው ከፈረንጆች ጋር የሚሰራ in the community የቪኦ ልብስ የተሰጠው ምናምን ነገር he's the one bro. He's the one. You the one. Hey, this is coffee time. Coffee time is lit bro. Hey. እስቲ አውሪያቸው እስቲ የሆነ ነገር ቢያቸው።
እሺ ነው ቡና እንጠጣ። ለምን ነው ማስመጡት ግን?
ለምን ነው ማመጡት? ምን ነው ችግራችሁ? ቡናችንን ጠጡልን። ኬክም እንትንም
ኩኪ ማመለጣችሁ። ሻይማ
ኩኪ አመለጠኝ። እናት እኮ ነው ያለን። እናት ጥያቄ ልጠይቅሽ እሺ? አንደኛ ነገር ማነው ስምሽ?
ስሜ ሌኒ አያሌው ይባላል።
and what are ላንቺ ሪል ፍሬንድ የምትይው ምን አይነት ፐርሰናሊቲ ያለው ሰው ነው?
በማንኛውም ጊዜ በቃ የሚገኛለ በክፉም በደጉም
ኦኬ በዚህ ካልጮሽ አይሰማም
በክፉ በደጉም ጊዜ የሚገኝና ሁሌ ደግሞ ፈን ብቻ ሳይሆን ቁም ነገርም ያወራል።
አሃ በቃ be that person.
I'm that person.
Hey, come on. Look, ምረ ስራፈት ሲጀመር አንተ ለቭሎግ አትሆንም ትወጣለህ። ለብራንድ አትሆንም፣ ብራንድ ታበላሻለህ። እንዴ ማን ይለጠፈብኝ? ቼክ all right
तेरी आंखों में तेरी लाइट्स दिल मेरा करे all night ride तू मिला तो बदली मेरी लाइफ अब तू ही मेरी फेवरेट वाइफ oh yeah पहली दफा जब तू सामने आई दिल ने बिना परमिशन बीट बढ़ाई तेरी स्माइल जैसे लेट नाइट मूनलाइट तेरे साथ हर मोमेंट फील सो राइट मैं था अकेला अपनी जोन में हिप हॉप चलता था हेडफोन्स में फिर तू आई रोमांटिक सीजन बन के अब लिरिक्स लिखूं बस तेरे नाम पे तेरी बातें जैसे लो फाई मेलोडी दिल में बजे स्वीट हार्मनी तेरे बिना सब
Nay, you ready? You ready for your interview? Okay. What's your name? Ashi. So, the main question, what's the personalities of a good, no, not a good friend, a real friend?
Someone who has your back even if you're not around. Child. አለመኖርህን ጠብቆ ከጀርባ
Backstab የሚያደርግ ሰው? Somebody who's always rooting for you?
Yeah.
Somebody who's always there for you? Somebody who understands you before you say a word?
Thank you.
Be that person. That's the whole point of this interview. So, Zari, let's talk about something serious. You know, I had a good day, whatever. That doesn't, it doesn't matter, but that's not what I'm here to talk about. Today, I secured my first client ever. And just so you know, I started looking for clients, Zari. Yesterday, I didn't, ሶስት ቦታ ሄድኩኝ፣ ሶስቱም የሉም ሰዎቹ። So, ዛሬ ነው ሰዎች ማግኘት የቻልኩኝ እና አንድ ሰው አሳመንኩኝ። 7 ሰው ነው ያወራሁኝ። ከሰባቱ አንዱ ስራውን ሰጥቶኛል። 5ቱ ሚቲንግ ሆልድ እናደርጋለን ብሎኛል። አንዱ ኦልሬዲ አላት ሶሻል ሚዲያ ማኔጅመንት whatever. So here's the thing. I'm not a social media manager. You know what? I'm somebody who makes money. What does that mean and why am I saying that? Because I help businesses make money. And that's how I make my money. You know what I mean? That's my business. I make businesses more successful. How? By being interested in making sure their services reach the people that they're supposed to reach. So anyways, enough philosophy. Let me tell you how I secured my first client. So I went up there. I talked to him. And this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make you more money by bringing clients to your place. How? By doing this, and that. You know what I mean? So if you want it, we can start work. If you don't, it's okay. And he was like, perfect. I want you. Because I was looking for somebody like you. I already have a team, but I don't see your energy in them. What does that mean? Why am I emphasizing an energy? Why does it even matter? Your energy matters. How you approach things matters. Because listen, if you don't believe that you're gonna make this product succeed, how's that person gonna believe in you? If you don't believe in yourself, how's that person gonna believe in you? So in order for you to believe in yourself, you gotta have certain type of energy. You know what I mean? You gotta be able to be that type of person to be productive, to get shit done. How do you become that type of person? By doing things, by experimenting, by failing, by trying again, and doing all that. This is my first time ever doing this. Again, why did I succeed? Because I believe I can do it. That's all they care about. And they can sense that. By the way, they can sense you. They can feel you. People, we exchange frequencies, we exchange energies more than anything else. So they can feel your energy. You know what I mean? If they can see that you're determined to getting what you're trying to get, they're gonna hire you. Or they're gonna make you a partner. By the way, somebody like Ananta, you're on a deal. Lamarek, website ለመሸጥ, social media ለመሸጥ, whatever it is that you're trying to do, ሰውን approach ስታረጉ ያ ሰው ስለ እናንተ ውሳኔ የሚሰጠው in like 10 or 15 seconds, bro. ከዛ በኋላም ብታወሩም ብትለፈልፉ ምን ብትሉም አይቀየርም ሐሳቡ. So, it's how you approach things. Let me tell you how I approach things and why this worked out. And so you approach Sarago. I wasn't trying to make money. Of course I'm trying to, of course, but that's not my aim. My aim is to help him out be better. My aim is to help his business grow. That's what I'm trying to do. Here, Queen, I told him how I'm gonna make it grow. And he was like, Ishi, ምን ትፈልጋላችሁ? I was like, nothing. I don't even want money right now. I'll show you my work. እድገቴን አሳይሃለሁ. ከዛ I'll ask for what I deserve. Doesn't that make sense? Instead of አሁን ሂጄ 10 ሺህ ብር 15 ሺህ ብር 20 ሺህ ብር ክፈለኝ ከምለው ለምን አቅሜን ላሳየውና ከዛ በኋላ maybe I'm worth more than 40k if እኔ የምሰራው ስራ ለሱ 80 ሺህ ብር 100 ሺህ ብር የሚያስገኘው ከሆነ እኔ 40 ሺህ ብር ልጠይቀው እችላለሁ. Why would I, you know what I mean? So you gotta show your worth. And it's all about the work. It's not even about the money. Anything in life is about the work. It's not about the result. It's about the process. Of course, result እንዳለ ነው, ግን the result is the byproduct of the process. You gotta enjoy what you do and do it passionately. Everything is a byproduct of that. You feel me? So, what I'm trying to say is, whatever energy you invest to the world will give it back to you. You know that saying, if you smile to the world smiles back? That's all about the energy you invest in things that you do in this world. Whatever thing that you invest in and you give the most energy to, that thing will pay you back. You just gotta believe it would. Anyways, that's how I got it. And I'm gonna keep on getting it. And by the way, I have a Telegram community. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. You can join my channel, and that's how we can communicate one-to-one. We can work. What if he? And I'm not gonna say nothing only. I'm gonna just show y'all results, bro. And that's how you gotta be. You don't gotta talk. You don't gotta speak. You just gotta show results. That's all that matters. You feel me? That's literally all that matters. And how do you get results? By enjoying the process. By being 100% focused in the process, in the moment. You don't focus on results to get results. You focus on the moment to get the results. Lemsali. If you're trying to get a straight A, if you're gonna get a straight A, are you just gonna sit down and focus on? Okay, of course. I mean, wait, I'm getting off track. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is focus on the process, and the result will follow. It's like እሳት ስታነዱ ጭስ ይመጣል. It's inevitable. መምጣቱ አይቀርም as long as እሳቱ ከነደደ. ስራውን ከሰራችሁ as long as you're willing to do the job, you're gonna get where you're supposed to get. So ስራዎችን ቢዝነሶችን approach ስታደርጉ always approach in a way that you are there to provide value. You're not there to take, you're there to give. ፈረንጅ ምን ብሏል? Give and take, right? So yeah. That's what's up. That's what I want to talk about. I'm doing this every day. I hope my consistency inspires you to keep on going, to keep on working, to keep on pursuing what you're supposed to pursue. I'm being consistent, not because, of course, I do like vlogging. I do like talking, yeah. But I'm being consistent so you guys understand how consistency gonna pay off. Anything in life, consistency pays off. My YouTube is gonna blow up. Why? Because I'm consistent. My business is gonna succeed. Why? Because I'm consistent. My mental health, my physical health, my whatever, anything in life, if you wanna do it and you wanna achieve it, you gotta be consistent. With that being said, I love you guys, and I'm gonna share every single thing that I will go through. And yeah, see you on the next one. Peace out.